A move-in inspection checklist ensures thorough documentation of property condition, helping protect both landlords and tenants by setting clear expectations. Items to include in a move-in inspection checklist: interior walls, check for scratches, dents, or peeling paint. Floors, inspect for stains, scratches, or loose tiles or carpet. Windows, verify functionality and note any cracks or damage. Appliances, test appliances like the refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher for proper operation. Plumbing, check for leaks under sinks and ensure toilets flush properly. Electrical, test outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures for functionality. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Verify proper installation and working condition. Exterior doors, check locks, hinges, and weather stripping. Landscaping, note the condition of lawns, gardens, or patios. Roof and gutters, inspect for visible damage or obstructions. Common areas, if applicable. Hallways, stairwells, and lobbies, check cleanliness and lighting. Laundry or recreational areas, verify functionality and safety. Photos and notes. Take photos of each room and area to create a visual record. Document any existing damage or maintenance concerns in detail. Steps for conducting a move-in inspection. Pre-inspection preparation. Provide tenants with a copy of the checklist before the inspection. Schedule a time to conduct the inspection jointly with the tenant. During the inspection, walk through the unit systematically, inspecting each item on the checklist. Allow tenants to point out any concerns or observations they might have. Take detailed notes and photos, ensuring all findings are accurately recorded. Post-inspection, provide a signed copy of the inspection report to the tenant for their records. Address any repair needs identified during the inspection promptly. Save the inspection record for use during the move-out process. Using the move-in inspection for move-out comparisons, compare conditions. During the move-out process, use the move-in inspection report to compare the property's condition. Document damage, identify tenant-caused damage, and calculate repair costs if applicable. Ensure fairness. Provide tenants with a clear explanation of any deductions from their security deposit, referencing the move-in inspection report. Example, conducting a move-in inspection. Scenario, an investor performs a move-in inspection for a new tenant. The following findings are documented. Living room, minor scuff marks on one wall and a stain on the carpet. Kitchen, all appliances are functional, but the refrigerator handle is slightly loose. Bathroom, no issues detected. Exterior, a small crack is noted in the driveway. Outcome 2. The tenant and landlord sign the inspection report, ensuring mutual agreement on the property's condition. The refrigerator handle is repaired before the tenant moves in. Upon move-out, the same inspection report is used to confirm that no new damages occurred, streamlining the process. Summary. Conducting various types of property inspections, move-in, routine, and seasonal, is critical for maintaining property integrity, tenant satisfaction, and investment value. Move-in inspections establish a baseline for property condition, ensuring fairness and transparency in tenant relations. By developing detailed checklists, documenting findings, and addressing issues proactively, small apartment investors can effectively manage their properties and protect their investments.